Hi, Aru. How are you?
I'm good.
How was the morning? Good.
Yeah.
You know, for you, you and a couple of others, right? Who are wanting to log in, right? If since you all came, I thought I will do a bouquet for you guys. You like the idea?
Yeah.
Okay. Adya, you're also excited?
Yeah.
See, those of you are logging in early, right? So before the class time, right? We can do a bouquet for you. If you all log in early, then I will do a bouquet 100%. Can we have it as a deal? Does it
Good
excite
morning.
you?
Good morning, Miss Priya.
Good morning, Sri Mitran. You're logging from India, right? I hope all is well with you.
Yeah.
Okay. You're on leave at school.
What?
You've taken leave at school for a month?
Yes.
Okay. Hey, Vishwa, I think I missed your message from Dad. I will talk to him after class. Sorry about it. I just saw that.
Okay, Miss Priya.
Ananya, how are you? Good. Okay, how was the homework? Was it tough or okay or what? You have to talk to me more. Tell me. You were able to do it?
Yeah.
Good to know. Anjali. Good to see you, Anjali. Ananya and Aradhya are not in the video. Shreyank is not in the video. Let me see. Aditya, just give me a minute, okay? You can go eat if you need to, or do work if you need to. Okay, now let's see. Oh, my video is not there. Oh my goodness. I realized it late. How are you, Aradhya? You know what? For kids like you only, we will do a bouquet. Since you all logged in early, right? Shall we do a bouquet? Does that excite you?
Yeah.
And next week as well, if you could log in earlier than the time, then we will definitely do for 5 minutes. Is that okay? You know the
Miss
block.
Priya,
Yeah, go ahead.
are we doing bouquet today?
Srimitra, what was that, Srimitra? I didn't hear you.
Are we doing bouquet today?
Yes, right now, can we do? Can I get you this multiplication tables from 2 to 7, and don't at all worry about the final scores. I don't want you to
It's on the sofa.
turn over the
Triple one.
final scores. I don't want you to. You see what I mean? It's just for fun. I really want everybody to get the multiplication tables from 2 to 7. Can we do that?
Yes.
Next week, we'll do only 8 and 9 tables. Is that okay?
Okay.
Can we try? It's just based out of skills. No hard questions today because we are starting today, right? It's just multiplication 2 times 3, 3 times 4, like that. Okay, but it has 60 questions, each question 10 seconds. Can we do that?
Yes.
Can we start? If you do not want to join and want to watch, I welcome that, but you have to let me know. Akshara, for you as well. Can we do a blue kit? Okay. Let me share the link. I'm going to do it today, okay? That way, we start with a good note as well. Let's see. Okay. I'm going to have it as classic, which will concentrate on speed and accuracy. So don't worry if you're not fast. Okay. I'm not bothered about the ranking. That is not what it is meant for. The target is for each of you to get everything right. That's all. You all got it? Not today. Not today. You don't have to get everything right today. You can get it in 2-3 weeks. Okay. We'll play the same booklet or we'll play a different booklet with some harder problems as we move up. Make sense? Okay. So the intent is not for you to win. Okay, that I don't like it at all. Okay. What you need to do today, if you get 10 questions right, next week you should be able to get 12 questions right. You should compare with your score within weeks. Make sense? That is what is progress, not comparing with somebody else. Got it? Okay. Let's go ahead. Give me a minute. Allow student accounts, number of questions. Okay, number of questions. How many do you want, guys? How many do you want? 10 seconds each. Come on, quick. 50 or 60?
20,
Huh?
20,
20?
60.
Okay, let me put it as 40 or 45. 45? 45 at least, guys. Then only I'll know, right? Otherwise, I can't know. I can't understand anything. Okay.
Okay.
The join link is here. I'm going to send it. But today I'm going to spend the time. It's okay. But next week, if you join 5 minutes early than the class time, before the class time, we'll start the booklet. Okay? Did you all join? I'll wait. If you don't want to join, just message me and you can watch.
Finally.
If you don't want to join, I respect it as well. You can let me know. But the intent is for each of you to get the correct answer within 2-3 weeks. Okay. Your comparison should be between your score today and next week. Okay. I don't want any ranks. Okay. But anyway, it will come up in that booklet. I can't avoid it.
Loading. Wait.
Shall we go ahead? There are 2 more to join. What do you want to do? If you don't want to join, I respect it. One more to join. Puma, Aradhya. Aradhya is in here. Who has not joined, guys? There's one Ananya who has not joined. Which Ananya has not joined? Guys, you have to let me know which Ananya has not joined.
Memory problem.
Ananya G, have you joined? Ananya V, have you joined? Ananya, do you need mom's help?
No.
Ananya,
Not asking me anything.
Ananya
But
V,
not doing it.
Ananya V is here. Guys, who logged off, guys? Who logged off? Somebody logged off. Now Ananya is there, but somebody else is missing. Anjali, Shankari, Akshara, Ananya, Sri, Aradhya. Hey, Aradhya, why did you log off, ma? Aradhya, you logged off. Go again. Go to the link again. It's okay, right? Go to the link again. Yeah, I'm waiting for you. You by mistake closed the email. We will wait. Don't worry. Today it's okay. But from next week, you can log in 5 minutes before the class. We'll do it. Aru, does it sound like a plan for you? For next week. We'll all play, okay? But with different problems. Next week, I'm not going to give you multiplication tables, but it'll be more of a word problem. So the time will be more and the number of problems will be less. Done, guys?
Ready.
Aradhya, what happened, lady? Aradhya, did you join? Finally, I see you. Aradhya, where are you? I see you though. Shreya, Ganjali, Ananya, Adya, Akshara. Let's move on. Did you join, Aradhya? Good. You can answer yes, sir. Okay, let's move on, please. Let's go ahead. Okay.
3 into 1.
3 into 1.
Ranking is not what matters. Okay.
No. Yes. Six into 7. 42.
Sure.
I think this 10 seconds is too much, guys.
7 seconds. 40. Yeah. And to do 10.
That's nice. That was an easy one. Aditi, you want to watch this one, Aditi?
Okay.
You can watch this one. Hereafter, if you can log in 5 minutes early, then the class will play this. Okay,
Yeah,
today you
sorry.
no
Sorry.
problem. No problem.
Yeah, everybody was
No
asleep.
problem. It's morning, right?
Heard the alarm and stuff. So.
No problem at all, Aditi. Don't worry.
Third place.
What
49.
happened to the? Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm watching, guys. Let's see. Can I move on? Aru, you there doing it, Aru? Good.
Oh. Sixth place.
Guys, this one was, but this one is easy. Okay. Oh, nice, Aru. Let's go ahead.
Wait, 24. Oh.
தெரியாத 24 நாளுக்கு.
There are two more to answer. Two more. See, one did not answer. One of you did not answer.
7.
Ready.
After that.
அவசரம்.
Really okay if you make a mistake. It's really okay if you make a mistake. Okay, there was one incorrect response. Okay.
Thirty. I'm searching everywhere. Please remember. 7th place.
Okay, all of you got this right. Okay, I see.
Okay, so. 7 into 6 is 48. 42. Yo. 8th place. No,
Our
10th.
intent is only your score should improve next week.
Okay.
Your score should improve next week. Okay, I'm not bothered about it. I did not make it through. Your intent is only to improve your own score
ranking
next week.
24 நிமிஷம்.
Okay,
Score
not
correct ஆ
compare
பண்ணணும்.
with anybody else.
Value correct ஆ வரணும். Answer தான் correct பண்ணணும். Okay.
You want to dismantle it and leave it also then? No, work on it. Yeah, that's going to take. There was one mistake. That's okay. One did not answer. I don't want to pick out, but yeah. Oh, all of you got that right. There are several of you went. Wait. Oh, there was one mistake. Okay. It's a mistake sometimes. Yeah, this one you have to see 7 times 3 is 21. Yeah, this is correct. Yeah, this one everybody will get it right, but there are two more to answer. Come on. Good job, guys. All of you. Honestly, I'm not looking at rankings, guys. I really want you to get it correct. You did not answer this. Okay, hey, 6 times 4 is what? 6 times 4 is what? 6 times 4 is 24. This is an easy one. There was one, you have to be a little faster. Okay. There was one that did not answer the question. There are two more to answer. Wow, this one, several of you went with the wrong answer, guys. 8 times 5 is 40.
What's this case one?
That's a hard one. Let's see how many of you get it right. Two more to answer. There was one mistake, one did not answer. Let me check, guys. Let me check. I want to. That's a hard one. Let's see.
Next week,
27 man or 36. One of you answered it as 36.
That's my side. That's it. So.
This one everybody got it. This one is easy. Anjali, are you finding it? Because I don't know where you were.
Oh.
Why did one of you get it wrong? That's
That's
interesting. Just for fun, we want to do and make sure you get the tables.
इतना टाइम नहीं लगना चाहिए.
It's on the second.
No, you can't take that much time. चलो. चलो आगे.
And your speed will improve. That is the target.
After one ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. अपने गांव के फ्रेंड्स three.
Aditi, you can send the answer in chat to me, you know. I'll know, right?
I can see.
Okay, there was one mistake. 7 times 3 is 21. That's okay. As long as it. Three more to answer. Quick, guys. See, okay, one did not answer. Okay, I'm going to take this out from coming. Standings coming up. We can see at the end. Okay. Two more to answer. We can see the standings at the end, guys. I'm not bothered about it. 5 times 3 is 15. There were a couple of wrong answers. That's a hard one. You'll get used to as well if you have more questions, but this is taking time by you. Let's move. That one is an easy one. Two more to go. Two more to answer. Two more to answer. Aha. We need to check on this, guys. Okay. See, there was one person who did not answer that. Good job, guys. Some of you are picking up speed.
आपको एक एक का लाइन नहीं करना है, बस देखो करके और तुम क्लिक करो। अच्छा हाँ अब कर। Good and slow. और अगर ऐसे स्क्रोल नहीं करो, बस नजर डालो, तुरंत क्लिक करो। अपने माइंड में पहला कौन 16 आंसर है तो तुरंत जाके क्लिक करो, देखना नहीं है हर ऑप्शन।
Hey, I'm just rushing through so that we can go to the. Two more to answer this one. Okay. Interesting. There was one incorrect answer to the 6 times 3 is 18. That's an easy one.
Priya auntie,
Yeah.
can I use the restroom?
Yeah. Come back quickly. Yeah, I just need to finish. Okay, I'm not bothered standing. Don't worry about it. That was good. Easy one for all. That had one incorrect response. Okay, interesting to know. Last 5 questions, guys. Last 4 questions. Last 3 questions. Last two questions. That's a good one. Everybody should answer. One more to go. Okay, all of you answered it correctly. Very well done on that. Last one question. What's the last question? Let's move on. Okay, we are done. Okay, next week it'll be a little complicated, okay? So that's the last question. Done, guys? Okay, we'll see. Just want to see the report. Give me a minute, guys. I just want to see the report. Hey, good job, guys. Several of you did well. Several of you did well. Okay. Okay, I just want to mention, okay. Okay, see, some of you did not attend summer. Okay, there we see a gap. Okay, I'll talk to your parents. Okay. Other than that, honestly, most of you did well. Aru, Vishwa, Shreyank, Ananya, Shankari, Adya, you all got most of it right. Okay, so that's great. Okay. Sri Mitran as well. Okay. 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 I'll do one thing, guys. I'll take a screenshot of this. I just want to make sure I message out the parents on this. Ananya also did well. Ananya G, you did very well, ma'am. Speed was the only problem. You got only 2 mistakes, Ananya. Aru got only 4 mistakes, which is very good. Shankari 1, Ananya 1, Adya 2. Oh, yeah, I just want to. Yeah, good job, guys. Shreyank got everything right, but the speed was a problem, I think, Shreyank, for you. Okay. Ananya
What
got
me?
2. But rest of you, I'll talk. See, a couple of you did not attend summer. In the summer, we studied, we went over multiplication tables across weeks. Okay. So, couple of you who did not attend summer had issues. Okay. I'll talk to your parents. I'll make sure we are on speed. We are on par. Okay. So, for now, let me note this down, and based on this, I'll talk to your parents. This was very good, guys. Okay. I'll stop. Let's go to. Let me open up the notes. Yeah, I'm not going to share with you, but you all did very well. Most of it was correct. So at the end, I wanted the report. The 40. Can you mute? Yeah, yes, I have to ask everybody to mute. I'll mute all. Okay. So where are we on the angles? You know, I prepared a test on angles as well, but I'm not going to give you. Okay. Let's see. How about this? How about this? Suppose
Miss Priya, the
Yeah.
isosceles triangles and the other ones were a little tricky for me.
Where were they tricky? Can you tell me one place where it was tricky? Identifying the type of triangle, or can you point me out to a question which was difficult?
Identifying this type of triangle.
We'll go over it. Don't worry at all. Okay. Polygons. Poly means many. Gons means angles. So did you understand the target of Blue Kit? Was only to generate the report. Out of the 45, how many each of you are getting it right? It tells me, not you. Okay. So I will get to know if there are, let's say, out of 45 questions, if there are 10 mistakes, then multiplication table is something we want to look at more carefully. And within weeks, within 2-3 weeks, whoever gets 1 or 2 mistakes, they will correct by themselves. Okay, whoever gets 3 or 4 mistakes, definitely it will automatically reduce within 2 or 3 weeks. But I will clearly get to know who are the ones that need more inputs on it. The ranking does not matter at all. It's for fun we are playing. You all got it? So it is just to make ourselves better with multiplication tables, and I will also include word problems to make you think fast from next week. But only if you log in 5 minutes earlier than the class. I will start the booklet 5 minutes earlier and we'll finish it within 5 minutes. Make sense? Okay, let's move on. So polygons, poly means many, gon means angles. So if a figure, what figure? Polygons means they should have straight sides, no curves. And then what? Straight sides, no curves, what else? Closed. So these are the 3 requirements for a figure to be called as a polygon. Okay. One more thing, 3 or more sides. 3 or more sides should be there. Okay. Now, is this a polygon? Is this a polygon, Vishwa? Yes, it is. It has straight sides, no curves, closed, 3 or more sides. How about this? Is this a polygon?
Yes.
It is a polygon. Is this a polygon?
No.
No,
Yeah.
I myself became unsure. Wait, how about this?
No.
Why?
Because it isn't closed. It's not closed.
Closed na Seema, is this not closed, Aru? Why do you think it's not closed, Aru?
Because Priyanti,
Uh,
half of it got erased. Like almost a half.
oh really? How about this?
Yeah.
It is closed, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
it is a polygon. You know, this has 3 angles. See? This has 4 angles. So many angles it is having. Did you see that? And it is closed. There are no curves. So how about this? Is this a polygon, Ananya ji?
No.
That was a question for Ananya ji. You have to shout out Ananya ji. Why? Why it is not a polygon, ma?
Not me, Ananya.
Why do you think it's not a polygon?
Because it has curvy lines and zeros. It's a polygon.
It is a polygon. Is it a Ananya ji, you will have to unmute again. You unmute yourself and then answer why it is not a polygon is correct. That came from Vishwa. Why is it not a polygon?
Because it
Wait.
One
Yes,
minute, Ma. Let me allow Ananya to answer and then I'll ask you, Vishwa, for sure. Go ahead. Because it has curves. Good job. Vishwa wanted to answer this. Let me give him. How about this, Vishwa? I'll make it harder on you. Come on. Is this a polygon?
Yes.
Why?
Because it has it has straight sides, no curves, it's a closed shape, and 3 more sides.
Good
3 or
job.
more
It is a polygon. How about this, Anjali? Is it a polygon?
No, yes.
Yes,
It's
it is
curved.
still a polygon. It is still polygon. Okay.
That is not good. Triangle, madam.
It is still a polygon. See here, it has more than 3 sides. No side is curved. It is closed. It is still a polygon. Okay, now Srimitran wants to answer this. How about this? What type of a polygon is this? What is this called, Srimitran? What is this? A triangle. Good job. Srimitran can continue. What type of a polygon is the next one, Srimitran? It has 4 sides. You can raise your hand if you know so that I ask you, right? I don't want to put everybody on the spot. Shreyang, tell me.
Trapezoid.
Trapezoid is good, but it's a 4-sided figure, right? It's a 4-sided figure, so it is called a quadrilateral, to be very generic. Quadrilateral. How about this? 5-sided figure, 5-sided polygon.
A pentagon.
A pentagon. Six-sided figure, Aru?
A hexagon.
Picha Baru. Hexagon. Okay, who wants to try?
Me.
Mummy, can you raise your hand using the raise hand button? That way I know. Wait, otherwise I will make sure. Yeah, Adya wants to say, hold on. Give me a minute. This is better for me. Adya wants to say, Vishwa wants to say. Okay, how about seven-sided figure? Seven-sided figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, seven-sided figure. Yes, Adya.
Hectagon.
Which one, ma?
Hectagon. A hectagon.
A heptagon or a septagon?
Priya.
Yeah, ma.
I'm not. It just took me back to the Zoom page. I don't really have like the class on.
You don't have the class on. That means what? Can you call your mom?
Okay.
Yeah, I think you're not on the screen. That's all. Okay. One, two, I really want to do a eight-sided figure. What? Wait. Please wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is this called, guys? Shankari. Octagon. The stop sign that you see right on the road, right? It is octagon. Nine-sided figure is called what? Nine-sided figure is a
nonagon.
nonagon. Nonagon. Okay, 10-sided figure, I would like Shankari to say
Decagon.
decagon. Now, who wants to say Vishwa? You want to try 11-sided figure is called? Ananya ji, you tell me 12-sided figure. I'll tell you. I'll tell you a clue. 11-sided figure, wow, is called a hendecagon. 12-sided figure. See, decagon is 10. Okay. Hendecagon is 11-sided. 12-sided figure is called dodecagon. Do is 2, do and then a 10. Dodecagon. Make sense? Can I move on?
Yep.
Okay. Now I'm going to cut a triangle. Okay. Last week I think we reviewed this, but I just want to know. I'm going to cut a triangle. What are all we discussed angles, right, guys? Nicely we discussed angles. But what type of a triangle is this first, Shreyank? What type of a triangle is this?
Equilateral.
I did not say that they are all the sides are equal. I never said all the sides are equal. Okay, based on their sides, you can say. Just by looking at the sides, you can say whether it is a equilateral or isosceles or equilateral, isosceles or scalene. Based on the angles, what you can say. How can you categorize based on angles? Acute. Then what else?
Right angle.
Acute.
Right angle. Right angle. Straight angle. Reflex angle.
Nice, guys. Very nice. Okay.
Straight angle.
Yeah, straight I included, ma. STRAIGST. Yeah, I included. Now, let me ask you this question, guys. The triangle shown, right? What type of a triangle is it? Please answer in chat. I really want to understand how many of you understood last week. See, I did 2 markings as well. 2 markings is for the sides. Okay. 2 markings is for the sides. So you have to categorize it based on angles 1, based on sides 1. What type of a triangle is this? You have to tell both. You have to tell both. You can send it in chat. Think about it. What have I written? Those 2 marks say that those sides are equal. Uh-huh. Okay. Shreyank, what does the marking say, Shreyank?
Two sides are equal.
Equal. When two sides are equal, what?
It's isosceles triangle.
That's true. So you have to pick one from here, one from there. So I will choose acute. All sides are less than 90 degree. And then this side I'll choose what? Isosceles. Shankari, the spelling is so important, ma. Acute, isosceles. Every time when you categorize triangles, you have to do it based on angle and then the side. How about this one? You're going to send for question number 2, you're all going to send. This one was acute isosceles. Like this, pick one from this side, pick one from this side. I'm going to erase what is not required. I gave you 2 markings that just says that those 2 sides are equal. So you have to pick one from each. That is how you always categorize triangles. I'll wait for each of your answer. Akshara, can you send it in chat, ma? I see your hand raised. Is
I
it
can't send in chat.
You have to open the chat window, go to the top left corner, there is a blue button. When you click on it, you can. Good job, Srimitran, with the spelling as well. Vishwa, very good job. Srimitran, is it acute, Srimitran? Vishwa, very good job. Priyank, see, you're able to do it now. Good job, proud of you. Okay, Anjali. Anjali, there is a correction on yours. This side is equal to this side, ma. 2 sides are equal means it's isosceles. All the sides are different means it's scalene. Can you correct your scalene is SCALENE, ma, but can you correct your answer, Anjali?
Okay.
Srimitran, I want you to correct the spelling of isosceles. You did it correctly the first time.
So how do you spell isosceles?
How do you spell isosceles? I'll help you guys. Ask here. Isosceles. Isosceles. Are you good? Aru, is it acute, ma?
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
I can't be able to type.
Why, ma?
In
You have to go to chat window, click on the blue box.
Okay, it's working now.
Yeah. Okay, let me let me page on the angle. Oh wow, Hadya,
Miss Priya,
very well done. Your explanation is nice. Yes, Ananya, that's right. Ananya, V, are you answering? Yes, you got it. Srimitran, I saw. Ananya G, very good job. Akshara, I want answers from you as well, ma. Yes, what was that? Sorry, I didn't hear you. Okay, now I'm going to move on a little bit, okay? This is good on us, I feel. I'm going to erase this off. Now I'm going to ask you a question. Let's see, what is this? Is this a polygon or not? Is this a polygon or not? Yes or no? Guys?
no. It is.
It's not a polygon. Why?
Because because it's not closed.
Good job, guys. You're all super nice. Okay, let's see this one. So we know how to categorize triangles. Okay, I really wanted to I really wanted you to know certain things. Okay, let's go from. How about this? What is this? What is this? What is the shape? Let me call out.
Rectangle.
Huh?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Aradhya. If I call you, you have to answer, ma. You cannot keep quiet. What is this shape, Aradhya?
Square.
That was the question for Aradhya. Aradhya.
Square.
Square. Good job. So now with this in place, can I call this a square? I'm going to call this a square. Will you accept or will you correct me? Vishwa, you go ahead.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
my battery is running low. Can I bring my charger?
Sure, ma. Please go quickly and come. Akshara, can you tell me, can I call this a square?
No.
Hmm?
No.
No. Why? Why I can't call this a
Because
square?
it doesn't have equal sides.
Good job. How about this? Good job. This can't be called as a square. Can I call this a rectangle? Srimitran. Can I call this a rectangle? Hmm?
No.
Why?
Because it has all sides are equal.
That's okay, right? Rectangle just requires opposite sides are equal. Yes, opposite sides are equal. I can call a square a rectangle. Did you get it?
Okay.
But I can't call a rectangle a square because square's property is all sides should be equal. This is not obeying. Rectangle's property is opposite sides are already equal. AB is equal to CD. AC is equal to BD. So I can call a rectangle a square. Now let's go ahead with this. How about this? What is this side? What is the shape? See the arrows I'm drawing. That means they are parallel. They're not going to meet each other.
Parallelogram.
Parallelogram. Parallelogram. Now let me ask you something. What is this shape, Shreyank? What is that shape, Shreyank? Oh, Shreyank is not there. Anjali, what is that shape, ma?
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma?
the shape is cut off.
The shape is cut off. Oh my goodness. How about this?
It's a rectangle.
Can I call this a parallelogram, Anjali? If I ask you this question, think about what is the requirement for a parallelogram? Parallelogram requires
It needs to be parallel.
Parallelogram requires the opposite sides to be parallel. Are they parallel?
Yes.
Yes. So a rectangle can be called. A rectangle is a type of a parallelogram. Did you all get it?
Yes.
Now let me ask you this. Can I call this parallelogram? I want to call the figure on the board a rectangle. Can I call it a rectangle? Think about what are the properties of rectangle. If I call Ananya Ji, then Ananya Ji has her own properties. Rectangle has its own attributes. We call Priya, Priya has her own attributes. Priya has her own properties that define Priya. Rectangle has its own properties or attributes or characteristics that define rectangle. Can I call the parallelogram a rectangle? Aditi, do you want to answer? Are you feeling better now? Go ahead and tell. Can I call this a rectangle?
Yeah.
How?
Because like it's in the shape of a rectangle, basically.
True. But rectangle's main property, something is not in here. Who can find it and tell me?
Oh, I think I know.
Tell me.
Ones, the like lines are like diagonal, little, and then rectangles are straight.
Correct. Meaning, see, these are four right angles. That is a requirement for a rectangle and a square. But a parallelogram need not have that. So, a parallelogram cannot be called as a rectangle. But a rectangle can be called as a parallelogram. Why? Because the sides are parallel. See, single arrow, that two sides are parallel. Double arrow, those two sides are parallel. Vishwa has raised his hand. So I'm going to ask him a question. Let's see. How about, how will you calculate the total number? Let's see. Okay, how about this? Have you heard of this, Vishwa?
Yeah.
What is it?
I think it's a four-sided figure.
It's a four-sided figure, but why then I'll call it a quadrilateral. If it's a four-sided figure, why should I call it a rhombus? Is this a is it a rhombus? No, this is a quadrilateral. But I am talking about something different. Who knows about this?
Oh,
Yeah,
I know.
Me.
okay, 1 minute. Vishwa, go ahead.
All the sides need to be the same.
Aha, that's right. Four-sided figure with all equal sides. There is no requirement on the angle. There is no requirement on the angle. Only thing it says is it's a quadrilateral with 4 equal sides. Now I am going to ask a challenge.
Priyanti.
Yeah, ma.
A rhombus is a square tilted in an angle.
Good thought. Very nice thought, Aru. Yes, it is a square tilted. However, rhombus does not need to have 90-degree angles. Does not need 90-degree angles. But a square means it has to have 4 90-degree angles. Make sense?
Yeah.
That's a subtle difference, but you brought up a very good point. Yes. Now, let's try. Okay, let me draw a rhombus. This is a rhombus, okay? Quadrilateral with all 4 equal sides. Can I call this a square? Can I call this a square? Ananya G, you want to answer?
No, because it does not have 19 degrees.
So can I call this a square? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Really? Does it have 90-degree angles? No. It does not have 90-degree angles, right? So can I call this a square?
No.
No, I can't call this a square. But let me draw a square, okay? Let me draw a square. Can I call it a rhombus? Ananya ji, you have to answer. Can I call it a rhombus?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Okay. Srimitran, yes, he said. Ananya ji, can you tell me why it is a rhombus?
Because all the sides are equal.
Good job, because all the sides are equal and it is a four-sided figure. Good job, guys. So you should be able to tell me about a square, a rectangle, whatever questions I ask, you should be able to tell me about these. Square, rectangle, rhombus. Then what else did we study? Parallelogram. Any questions asked, you should be able to tell me about these. And then the last thing that I wanted to show you is, this one is a little different. We need it. This is a four-sided figure with exactly one parallel side. Pair of parallel sides. You see, only one, meaning 2 lines are parallel. Do you see? So that is called a trapezoid. And one more thing, guys, one complicated thing that I want you to learn is, when these 2 sides are equal, when the legs are equal, right? It is called an isosceles trapezoid. Isosceles trapezoid. See, like an isosceles triangle, when the 2 legs are equal in a trapezoid, it's called an isosceles trapezoid. Any questions? Any questions? Okay, guys, before I move on, right? For your school thing, right? I know I have to cover more, but for your school thing, I want to really check up with you. I prepared a document. I really want to check up with you whether you know that. Let me see. I don't know. I want to. Okay, I'm going to share my screen. Okay, I just want to know where we are. You can tell me if you don't know these. Okay, this is for your school level. Okay, this is not based on the book that we are studying. What? I don't want the 2-page view now. You're all able to see this? Do you know question number 8? Question number 8. In the number, compare the values of the digits 2 and 8. 2 is how many times larger than the 8? 2 is how many times larger than the 8? Who can answer that? This is a challenge question. Okay? This is a set of challenge questions, but this is not what we are discussing now, but it is related to school.
Place value.
2 is how many times larger than the 8? Otherwise, let me make the problem easier. Wait, let me make the problem easier on you. Let me make the problem easier on you. Let's consider 72, 4, 2, 3. Okay. The underlined, the circled 2 is how many times larger than the underlined 2? Is how many times larger than the underlined 2? Who can answer? Ananya, you have your hand raised. Do you want to answer?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
100.
You have to shout out.
100.
Good job. How did you find it, lady? So basically, go ahead. Hankari, do you want to explain, or Anjali, do you want to explain? Your hands are raised.
I accidentally pressed the reason.
No problem. Anjali, do you want to say? Okay, you all lowered your hands. So when you think about it, this is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds, right? Let's write it down. Ones, tens, hundreds, the place value. This is thousands, right? So think about it. This 2 is a 20. This 2 is a 2000. This is a 20. This is a 2000. So here, when you look at it, right, when you go to your left, right, when you go to your left, it is multiplied by a 10. Again, when you go to your left, it's multiplied by a 10. Again, when you go to your left, it's multiplied by a 10. Again, when you go to your left, it's multiplied. So when you keep on going left, your values increase by multiply by 10, multiply by 10. So from here to here, you have 2 frog jumps. So this is a 10 multiplied, another multiplied by a 10. So it's 100 times more value. The circled 2, Srimitran, you're good? Srimitran.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead, ma. Okay, now I really would like you to answer some of these and see whether we are prepared for school as well. Okay, how about this, guys? 9th one. Which digit has the smallest value? Which digit has the smallest value?
5. 5.
Good job, 5. Because place value matters. The rightmost has the lowest value. Okay, so an assignment similar to this, I'm going to give it to you this week, okay? So now let's go ahead. Let's see. I have more on this. Okay, I want you to do 19th, guys. I want you to do 19th. All of you in chat. Chat. I want you to do in chat. Let's see, guys.
Okay.
Would really love to see 19th. 58. Which is the answer? You have to let me know. Place value by place value, you have to compare. Just tell me A or B or C or D. A or B or C or D. Please in answer. Good job, Anjali. You guys are good with this, is what I feel.
Am I correct?
Srimitran, Aradhya, Aditi, good job. Aru, good job. Vishwa, good job. Shankari, good job. Okay, guys. So I am not particularly bothered. Ananya G, where is your answer? Ananya V, where is your answer? G, I got it. Ananya V, can I get your answer?
I already sent it.
1 minute. Shreyank, what happened, Shreyank?
Your screen is in number 9.
Okay, you didn't see, notice that. Okay, wait. Okay, now it is there.
Yes.
Okay, I'll wait for your answer.
It's a little small to see.
Oh, really? Okay, ma. I will make it bigger. Don't worry about it. Let's see. How about this? You're able to see?
Yeah.
Good. I'll wait for both of your answer. Good job, Ananya ji. Good job, guys. Okay. So let me post this as so this is for your standard coverage. Okay. I really want to make sure you're up to speed with the school as well. So this is for the school work. Okay. I'm going to give this. Okay. There are only 20 questions I want you to do. Okay. Let's move on with whatever we were doing. Okay. A few more and then we'll see. Okay. Now let's see this one. Okay, let's see this one. Can you? Okay, how about this? Can I say? 1 second, guys. 1 second. How will you calculate the number of triangles? How many How many triangles are inside this figure? How many triangles are inside this figure, Anjali? How many triangles are inside this figure?
2.
2. So how will you do that? One triangle, directly one triangle, right? That is 1. And after that, see, triangle within a triangle. So with 2 triangles, meaning triangles with 2 triangles inside. Triangles with 2 triangles. That is, see, like that, methodically, you'll have to write down 1. So total is 2. Like that, you should be able to count. Let's see this one. How about this one? How about this one? How many triangles in here? How many triangles are in there? Please take your time and answer. I'm not in a hurry. You can send it in chat slowly but surely. It's a tricky question. I'll be very blunt with you. It is a very tricky question. It is a tricky question. Aru, no Aru. Akshara, no Akshara. Adya, no. Aditi, no. Shankari. Shankari, you missed a couple. Can you check? Ananya, no. Anjali, no. It's not 5, guys. It's not 5.
Not 5.
It's not 5. It's not 5. Tell me. I will show you though.
Am I correct? Miss
One
Priya.
minute. I'm checking here. I will check.
Miss Priya.
Yes. Shreyank, you're almost there.
Am I
Ananya, you're
correct?
almost there. Srimitran, you're almost there. Shankari, again you still miss some. Okay, now let me see. Let me show you now. So you all counted these nicely. 1, 2, you all counted these.
Brilliant. Is the answer 6?
Not 6, ma. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 you have. Okay.
8.
After that, see, you have to be observant. So let's put it as 5 here. But that's not it, right? So think about it. Think about this one. 1. This is 1. And then what? Then how many like that did you count?
I counted 8.
1,
I counted 8.
2. That's the same thing. Hold on. 1 I did. And then how about 2? See, it is symmetric. It is a see 2. And then each of the wing will have the same thing, right, guys? You're not calculating everything. 3. See, this wing is counted. This wing is counted. This wing is counted. Now I have to calculate this wing. You see what
The
I mean?
answer is 9.
Answer is what?
The answer is 9.
Guys, you need to calculate all the wings I'm saying, right?
Miss Priya.
Yama?
Those 2 triangles are the same. Yes.
Which 2 triangles are the same?
In chat.
I'm using
First
different
one and the
wings.
third
This
one.
is wing 1. This is wing 2. This is wing 3.
5,
This is wing 4. This is wing 5.
The first one and the third one are the same.
Ah, okay, wait. First one, let's see, guys, wait. First and the third one are the same. Yeah, first and the third one seems to be the same.
Priyati,
Uh-huh.
fourth and the fourth and the second.
Fourth and the second are the same. For that matter, no. Then we need to find out if a couple more are there. Hold on.
Morning ages.
So we covered this is wing 1, wing 2, wing 3, wing 4. Hey, geometry kid, just hold on for a minute, okay? Wing 2, wing 3, wing 4. Okay, wait, wing 5. So let's do one by one. Wait, this is 1 and 4 I covered. Okay, then these two are one and the same, right, Amma? Then, really, I named it incorrectly. Wing 1, wing 2, wing 3, wing 4, wing 5. So this is wing 1 and wing 4. Okay, this one is wing 1 and wing 3. Okay, this is wing 1 and wing 3. Okay, then this is wing 2 and wing 4. Okay, then this is wing 1 and wing 3. Ah, wow. See, okay, in this case, then let's go ahead with this. Let's see. See, can you combine 1 and 2? Can you combine 1 and 2? Okay, maybe I'll do one thing. I'll do the same problem when you come next week. Can we do the same problem next week when you come back? I'll stop here. I'll stop here. Let's work it out like this and do the same problem next week. You should count to a 10, I think, guys. There has to be a 10, I think, in this one because I feel this is symmetric, right? There are 5 wings, right? The inner triangles will amount to 5 and the outer triangles will amount to 5. It has to come to a 10 is what I think, okay? So we will definitely do next week the same problem, but I'll give you homework in the book and a separate assignment as well, okay? Any questions for me?
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
I also think it's 10
It should be 10. That, yeah. See, my gut says it's 10. So we'll calculate it next week when you come back.
Understand.
Okay, but we need to substantiate. We need to defend how it is 10. Okay, draw it and see and color it and see. You will get to know. I'm pretty positive it's 10. Let's see. Okay, I'll stop here, guys. Any questions? Please come prepared. If you like to do the blue kit, 5 minutes early to class. Okay. Any questions? Any questions?
No.
No, then we can log off. See you all next week. Have a good time in school.
Bye, Priya.
Yes, ma.
Bye. Priya. Bye.
Yes, if you want to talk, stay, guys.
I said bye. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
See you all next
Bye,
week.
Miss Priya. Thank
Bye,
you,
guys.
Miss Priya.
You're welcome. Yeah, ma?
Will you give homework in Google Classroom?
Yes, ma.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
One second, guys. I'm going to stop it. I will do.